Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode from Local Life Outdoors. We're down here fishing a section of Little PD in the pouring rain. We're going to try to get on some fish, so y'all stay tuned, see what we can do. Come on, baby. Come on, come to the boat. Oh yeah. Nice Bream. In the pouring rain. I'm fishing with worms today in this video. I had to come down here and get some content for you guys. So as long as it wasn't thunder and lightning, I was coming. I didn't care what the weather was. Just trying to locate them now and see where they're biting at. Oh yeah, pretty. That's what I'm talking about right there, guys. Come here, baby. Shellcracker. Ooh, that's so fun, guys. I love it. Out here on a nice, cool, rainy morning. Might try to get on a little bit of crappie in a little while. One thing about it, nobody else won't be down here today. There's not many people that's coming to fish in the rain. Put me a fresh worm on here. I'm fishing with red wigglers today. The crickets is about gone for the year. You can't hardly find no crickets right now. But I like a live bait. The water temperature is cooling down here in South Carolina. It's been a tough year. With we had a storm, a hurricane come through, and we got over a foot of water. So our rivers flooded. They was way above flood stage, and they closed a lot of boat landings down for a while, and it put a hurting on my fishing. But I'm back at it, guys, and hopefully we can get on some fish today. Because it won't be long. I'll be doing a lot of crappie fishing, some other kind of video content. I'm doing a little bit of hunting now. I already started doing some hog hunting. But I'll be doing a lot of catch and cooks coming up. I'm gonna start doing that a lot when I come down here to the river. I just enjoy it. It's cool enough now you can enjoy something. When it's 100 degrees outside, it's hard to enjoy much. Guys, don't forget to go get you some local life merch from tryfinds.com. It's in the video description or my about section on YouTube. It would really benefit the channel. And I also have memberships available for the channel. Every little bit helps to produce video content. But I appreciate all of you for supporting the channel. It really means a lot. I mean, you just don't know how much I appreciate it. That's the reason I'm trying to come out here and make some video content for you guys, even though it's raining. That way you'll have something to watch, and I hope you enjoy. Who would like to see some more catch and cooks? Leave a comment below. Let's see if we got anything laying right over here and here. It looks like a good spot, and there's an old stump sitting right here. Maybe we can get on a Bream or a Shellcracker right here. Come on. Come on to the boat. Shellcracker. Good eating size fish. Not a monster, but a good eating fish. I'll throw him in there for right now, for the time being. It is pouring down. I had to come get up under a tree, see if it'll slack up a little bit, because it's raining hard out here right this minute. Found me a tree up in the swamp. Just kind of park up under for a few minutes, let it die down.